Hey Jammers, it's Fossilization here, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be trading with basstarebats for her dark pink headdress. So, what I'm going to be doing is trading red gloss, green party hat, founder, purple wall, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 black right there. I'm adding 5 in all bad longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the bad long. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pink long. Pink long. 4, and I don't have a bad long, so I'm gonna have to do black short. Alright, so that's the trade. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 6. Well, I'm sorry for the delay and everything. It's just, I didn't really have a bad long to add, so that's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna have to end here. Bye, guys.